Today's video is about the brand new VSS XM introduction. I'm going to take you through the brand new interface. Firstly, to start off with, it's available in 8, 9 and 16 channels. It also is available in the 32 and the 64 channels. Okay, for starters, brand new interface. As you can see, it's colourful. It's got shapes, easy to move around, up and down, very easy to use, and made it as simple as possible. So let's start with the most popular question that I get asked all the time when incidents happen and customers tend to get confused or find it difficulty in playing back. Well, that's been resolved. So let's go to the main course. Firstly, playback. Let's click playback. Now in playback mode, I'm not going to show you all the playback because this is an intro. We do have another video on that, but I'm going to show you two parts of this. Let's go and use the common and the face search. So let's go to common playback. Okay, we're going to set 3 cameras. We're going to go okay. And automatically, if you put your mouse where the timeline is, you can see you can maneuver around. I'm just going to widen that up a little bit so we can get move around, and you can see that the vehicle's been detected. See that? There it is there. So if I point it right there, click onto that, there it is there. Vehicle's being picked up. Brilliant. That's it. That is how quick it is to pick up a vehicle or a human, dog, cat, whatever you like. Okay, let's go to the next playback, which is really quick and really useful. Medical centers, shopping centers, outside your front door, really easy. Face search. Hit the face search button, hit OK, select camera number 1, it's been set up for that, and this camera will detect me. So as you can see, it's found me in these locations on these times. So let's just go and find one. There's me at 8:40. Oh, let's see how good I look. Now currently it's been selected. It's already detected me, but it plays back about 10 seconds. And there it is, it's found me right there. And it's got me right there. Done. It's picked it up. That is how quick the playback mode is. Simple, quick and easy to play with. You have your calendar here, you can select your time periods if you may wish. If you wanted to, you can select any day you may wish. You can select the cameras, all the cameras on there, very quick. We also have car replay, we have smart search, smart express, but all these you can basically play back. The most two common ones I normally would use is the common playback and the face search. Unless you're in a car park, you can use car replay. Okay. So we've established that. So we established the playback, which is really quick. So a couple other things that's new now is custom view. We can adjust the custom view from here, or we can do that from the technician side of things. Well, I'll show you that in a second. Let's go to system. So system, we have general, we have snapshot, display, account, encodes and backup, straightforward. Event alarms, we have car detection, available only in our generation 4 camera. If you put the cameras, it supports every channel, not just 1 or 2 channels, it will support all channels. Same with the intelligent. The intelligent alert is for human detection and face detection on all cameras. So it'll work on generation 3 and generation 4. Generation 2 only has human, 3 and 4 have face detection. Okay, so that's, and you've got your traditional alarms and your standard normality. Now, in this section here, there isn't one section, storage devices, which is commonly asked for. You can go error fault, select it, mobile reported, click OK, and it can reboot automatically if the drive goes faulty or has an error fault. So it tries to repair itself. And it will send you a message to your mobile phone. Done. Problem resolved. Okay, next is your advanced section. We now have an import and export. Now, this is something that we've never had. We've got it now, so that means we can plug a USB key into the actual recorder and we can back up all the settings, so when the board actually fails we can do a restore. So that's fitted there. The technicians can use this or the end user can use this. The next one, we have hard drive information. Hard drive has been updated. It now tells you the version of the hard drive is fitted to the device, the sizes, and it's got partitioning and a snapshot built into it. Right, next thing is your log files and your version. Auto maintenance, it has automates that can do reboots, so you can go in here and ask to reboot it, what time, what day, if you may wish. So a few extra features have been added to the system, but let's get out of this now And just go and quickly do one more thing I have to show you. Zooming in. On the view cam, it used to be a box. On the VSS, it went to using the mouse to scroll. Now we've gone back to the view cam. So, square box, click, and zooms in. So we have returned the square box trick that you used on the view cam back to 15 to 16. It's been returned back to the XM. Let's get out of that and let's get out again. Now on just when we actually here, you can also see we've got the app connection, we've got the face detection, we've got the human talk, and of course the audio. Now the reasons these two are here is because one of the new cameras that are going to be coming out will be able to talk. So you will have to set an intercom up on a camera and able to talk to the person through your telephone or through your screen. Now next thing, back to the main menu. Now, obviously getting around is pretty easy. As you can see, it's pretty fast. We do have a technician section. I'll show you that now. This is the technician section. You can set up the cameras, recording modes, the playbacks, the smarts, and of course we have the brand new little thing called IPC parameters. Now, look, this allows us to talk to each of the cameras. So by selecting this, I can go and talk to the cameras. Imaging setup. I can go down and set up the imaging. I can tell it to do starlight, full color, black and white, alerts, variable, infrared, smart, whatever, all on that device. Encode. I can adjust the camera's performance from 1080p up to 5 megapixel. And of course, I've got all the other settings here too for the camera itself. So everything we used to do on a laptop, we can now do it through the machine. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial, but it shows you how fast the machine is. It is very, very quick. It is very much easier on your eyes compared to the old VSS. So I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.